Is it like some sort of cancer?
No, it's not cancer.
I knew this would happen.
She's not sick. I mean,
Isn't this something you get like when you're like 12 years old?
It doesn't matter when you get it.
Oh, okay, so like hot flashes.
No, it's not hot flashes.
Oh my god. She's barren.
Okay, we're getting off topic. Imagine a boat traveling down
Okay, so
a river.
wait, so with this boat, like, are we able to like, paddle the boat, per se?
It's hemophilia.
No, she's not diseased. She doesn't have hemophilia. Every woman has lots of boats throughout their life. And the boat travels down a river, and when the boat gets to what are you doing?
Calling 911.
No, that's not necessary. Every woman has lots of boats, and the boats travel down a river one at a time until they reach a pond, and the boat waits there for passengers.
There's more than one passenger.
No.
Am I a passenger?
No, you're not a passenger on this boat. The boat waits for passengers, and if no passengers show up, it erodes. And 28 days later or so, another boat comes and the same thing happens. Get it?